The Bitcoin rally is in danger. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the rally that Bitcoin has witnessed over the last several weeks and why that rally may be coming to an end relatively soon. Back on Monday, we talked about some major indecision signs that Bitcoin has been putting forth, and today it looks like Bitcoin may be having some trouble going into the next leg of its rally. Today, we're going to talk about whether or not Bitcoin is about to drop all the way down to $48,000 and then rally to $57,500, or if that rally towards $57,000 is coming right around the corner anyway. If you want to know where Bitcoin is going next, you found the right video, so without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. You see this pin? This pin is absolutely beautiful. It is high quality. It does exactly what it is designed to do. And it is a tool that you can have in your toolbox. It will help you to be successful. Perfect. A good example of a tool that you could put in your toolbox that would help you to be very successful is none other than NordVPN. You see, when you have the right tool for the job, you have the ability to make sure that you do the job well. And NordVPN does a great job of keeping you safe while you are browsing online by shielding your IP address and putting a cloaking device on you so that the hackers and the scammers and the tyrannical governments of the world can't see you. It allows you to walk around in stealth and make sure that you're able to go wherever you please online while also having a far, far, far lower chance of ever being hit by a hacker. Protect yourself today by signing up for NordVPN and go to nordvpn.com/Jeb and sign up for a 2-year plan. Protect yourself for the entire bull market and make sure that you keep your crypto your crypto. Let's get started. Bitcoin has gone on a massive rally, up 250% over the last 457 days, and Bitcoin has rallied in just the last 28 days, 37.78%. Bitcoin is pushing well towards all-time high at $69,000, and based on our last week's video, we believe that Bitcoin could be going parabolic any time now. In fact, within just the next 2 to 4 months, Bitcoin could be trading at or above $69,000, our all-time high set in November of 2022. That being said, over the last few days, a few very important candlestick formations have presented themselves, and they look like this. On Tuesday, the 20th of February, 2024, we put into place what is known as a spinning top candlestick. And this spinning top candlestick formation is defined by a short, stubby body and long wicks on either end. This denotes indecision because it shows that during that candle body, we saw the bulls and the bears both take charge of the market for a brief time. It signals that there is a great degree of conflict between both factions, and it signals that no one faction is the clear winner. That is a departation from the obvious trend that we have seen over the last month of bullishness. If it is no longer a fact that the bulls are the ones that are primarily in charge and the bears seem to be putting up a fight, that could indicate a correction coming soon. In fact, at the top of almost every single rally on Bitcoin, you will find these spinning top candlestick formations where you have a long upper wick and a long lower wick with a small stubby body. Again, it generally indicates indecision, which indicates reversal. According to our very own Crypto Jeb oscillator, you can see ever since Friday the 16th of February, the bullish momentum, as seen here, has been decreasing rapidly. That is only further proof that Bitcoin is starting to curve over, and we should be looking for bearish price targets rather than bullish price targets over the next 2 to 7 days. Now, to be clear, I do believe that Bitcoin will still be rallying up to all-time high within the next 2 to 4 months, but that doesn't mean that we couldn't have a correction over the next 2 to 4 days. Should Bitcoin go through a correction from here, I believe that that correction would drop Bitcoin to roughly $48,000 to $50,000, which is a zone that we have analyzed for a very long time. That zone shows up as the Fibonacci golden pocket here on Bitcoin, and it exists between the 0.618 and the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement levels. Feel free to learn more about Fibonacci retracement in the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy, which you can find linked down below. Get 20% off for a limited time only using coupon code 20OFF20OFF. In CT2A, we teach the importance of our Fibonacci levels, and if you look at the Fibonacci levels right now, they point to 48 to 50. So the way that we do analysis is thus. We typically look to see which faction is in charge. That's how I decided to create the Crypto Jeb oscillator. Quite simply, we can see that the bullish momentum is slowing down, which means the bears are gaining strength. So the bears are in charge, which means we ought to be looking primarily for bearish price targets. The second step is to look for those price targets. We're currently looking at $48,000 to $50,000. It's about that simple. Then our third step is relatively simple. We do the analysis to see whether it is likely that Bitcoin will retrace to one of those levels, in this case 48 or 50. And I do believe that there is a strong case to be made there, as we see massive lower wicks on the last 3 daily chart candle bodies indicating strong bearishness. Furthermore, we're seeing a great degree of indecision on CoinMarketCap because many of your favorite altcoins are either rallying or crashing, and there's no specific trend. Oftentimes sometimes that denotes the top of a market, because instead of everything rallying across the board the way we were 2 weeks ago, some coins are up 7% and some are down 8%. In general, the altcoin market is taking a dive as well, which indicates a complete market-wide correction could be coming at any point, probably starting right about now. So, is Bitcoin about to drop to $48,000 to $50,000? I think more than likely yes, but the question from there becomes, what will happen next? Is Bitcoin going to be able to break through the Fibonacci resistance zone again at $48,000 to $50,000 and rally towards all-time high? I think yes. We have a huge number of bullish factors coming into the space right now. Everything from the massive amount of bullish momentum that we see on Bitcoin, to the fact that CPI is looking relatively steady, to the fact that we're going to see effective federal funds rate drops, to the fact that we see stock market at all-time high, to the fact that we're likely going to see an Ethereum exchange-traded fund coming out at some point in the next 12 months. All of these factors and more point towards a very bullish 2024. So this is not a long-term prediction on Bitcoin, but again, a prediction for the next week at most, potentially the next 2 weeks. And I think during that time, you will see a small drop on Bitcoin, which will be a great opportunity to load up on more Bitcoin through our dollar cost averaging and our lump sum investment. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to go to nordvpn.com/Jeb and sign up for a 2-year plan. Do it all risk-free with 30-day money-back refund guarantee, and put your cloaking device on so that you are shielded and protected while you browse online. I've been a user of NordVPN for probably about 5 years. Very pleased with the product. Has never let me down. Make sure you sign up at the link down below. And also make sure to sign up for LuxAlgo by going to luxalgo.com/Jeb and get access to the brand new Crypto Jeb Oscillator built in partnership with LuxAlgo by yours truly. And also make sure to sign up for CT2A, our academy that teaches technical analysis, with coupon code 20OFF, 20OFF, for a limited time only. It's going to wrap it out for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.